Hello student, this is class 10th science chapter 4 part 9. In this video we will discuss functional groups. In hydrocarbon chain, one or more hydrogen atom is replaced by other atom in accordance with their valency. These are heteroatom. These heteroatom or groups of atom which make C6 compound reactive and responsible for its properties are called functional groups. The first topic is functional group. Functional group means the groups which is responsible for its properties. Its means physical and chemical property. Physical property means melting point, melting point, boiling point, solubility. Solubility means it is soluble or insoluble in water. Solubility, etc. And chemical property means the property it reacts with various reagents, solvent, etc. are called chemical properties. So the functional group is which is responsible for its property, physical and chemical property. Because physical and chemical properties of alkene, alkyne, alcohol, carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketones are very different, which is responsible for its functional group only. Some most important functional groups are first heteroatom functional group and formula of functional group. First is halo compound. In halo compound, halogens are used in place of hydrogen atom. Cl, Br, Cl means chlorine, Br bromine, I means iodine. Second is oxygen. In this heteroatom is oxygen. The first is alcohol, aldehyde, and third is ketone, fourth is carboxylic acid. In alcohol, the H of hydrocarbon chain is replaced by OH group. In aldehyde, the H of hydrocarbon chain is replaced by CHO group. CHO. Next is ketone. In this, two hydrocarbon chain are present in both sides of C6. One hydrocarbon chain and second hydrocarbon chain. Fourth is carboxylic acid. In this, the H of hydrocarbon chain is replaced by COOH group. COOH group. Next is alkene. In this, double bond is present in place of single bond. Next is alkyne, in which the triple bond is present in place of single bond. The first heteroatom is halogen. Halogens are heteroatom in which Cl, Br and iodine are heteroatom. These compounds are called haloalkene. These compounds are called halo. The functional group is halogen atom. Cl, Br and iodine. Suppose CH4 is a hydrocarbon. Methane is a hydrocarbon which is alkene. Which is alkane. CH4, which structure is represented as, in this, one hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom. Suppose Cl is replaced by Cl atom. Then the structure becomes Cl. This is called halo compound. This is called halo compounds. This is called halo compounds. In methane, it is also replaced by Br atom. Then it becomes the loss of hydrogen atom, and it becomes halo compounds, which is represented as halo compound Br. And in case of iodine, when we add iodine in alkene, then hydrogen replaced and iodine is added to form halo compounds. The next heteroatom is oxygen. First, in case of alcohol, which is represented by OH, In alcohol, the edge of hydrocarbon chain, suppose hydrocarbon is methane, CH4. In this, the OH is added and hydrogen is replaced. When one hydrogen is replaced, then alcohol is formed when the OH group is added in hydrocarbon chain. This is alcohol. OH, which is second is aldehyde. I mean CHO, which is also represented in bonding form as CHO. In this, one hydrogen of hydrocarbon chain is replaced by CHO group. Suppose in case of methane, when CHO is added in this chain, then hydrogen is replaced. Then it becomes aldehyde. This is called aldehyde. It is also represented as CHO, CO, COH, this is also called aldehyde. Next is ketone. Ketone, it is represented by CO group. In this, two hydrocarbon chains are present in ketone, first chain and second chain. Suppose in case of methane, methane. In case of methane, the first hydrogen is replaced by S and second is S. Then ketone is formed as this is called ketone. This is called ketone. In this, two hydrogen atoms are replaced. This is ketone. Next is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. The functional group of carboxylic acid is COOH, which is also represented as COOH, which is represented in bonding stage, in bonding form. Suppose methane is used as a hydrocarbon chain, then one hydrogen is replaced and COH group is added in this chain. Then COH is formed, which is called carboxylic acid. This is also represented as HCOH. This is also called carboxylic acid.